Today is February 1st, 2012, and I'm going to talk to you about the Roswell events of 1947. It's been 65 years, and nobody can clarify what happened that day. A lot of people know for a fact, even the first witnesses, the first people to arrive to the scene, they say there was a UFO crash. I'm going to bring you what for the last 65 years has been as a leaked video of the UFOs, or in this case on the alien survivor. If you were to make this video today, probably you can make that effect with any computer, any laptop, even with your iPhone probably. But back then, the most advanced movie was Gone with the Wind, and they have to film it pretty much with hurricanes and all that. So I want you to see in the first clip the way how the alien moves his eyelids and how he's moving his hands. I'm 100% sure a better comment of yours that you cannot do that effect even today. Figure out all the special facial movements, the hand, everything. Then I'm gonna come back, make some more comments, and leave you with a full video that was leaked in 1947, and to me is the living proof that we are not alone in the universe. The last part of the video shows the body of the alien. You can see the head, the facial expressions again, and the hands and everything. Once again, back then, there's nobody stereotyping this specifically event. If we were to draw today's aliens in our imagination, they would probably be the way how we saw this video a few seconds ago. But for you to imagine what I'm talking about, back then they would picture Mexicans with a big sombrero and short and dark and all that, and black people, they will picture them extremely black with watermelon lips and all that. So this is how the stereotype of aliens started, but they started for a good reason. This is the real video. This is a leaked video that is 65 years old. Are we ready to find the truth? Are we ready to know that we are not alone in the universe? Keep watching my shows, and we're gonna talk some more about these special events. Bye.